else. I'm about to dive in. Baby girl, hold your breath. We about to get so wet. Swimming in your body, let me dive in. Running around this pool, going under just for you, baby. You watch me stroke left, stroke right, stroke back, stroke. Girl, there ain't no running around this pool.
Hey guys, I hope that you are having a great day. I'm like on a roll with all these videos right now, so I'm pretty happy about that. Pretty stoked. And if you're new to this channel, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below or here, and follow me on Instagram, which is right there. So today's video is going to be a BH Cosmetics unboxing and a Boxycharm unboxing for January. So I got mine super early. Supposedly it was yesterday, but I was working. The Boxycharm and stuff like that. Hard, this is what it looks like. It's Rock 2018. And it'll tell you all this stuff here, so I'm just gonna go with it. And then after the Boxycharm, I'll show you guys the BH Cosmetics one because it's a lot. So the first thing is this Luminizer primer. I've been needing some new primers, so thank you BH Cosmetics for reading my mind, because I've been needing one. I don't know if this is good or not, but we'll see. And yeah, I think this was, I believe, $38. That's kind of expensive for like this little thing, but yeah, it looks pretty little to me. Got this new Glam Metals palette. I got the other shadow that you guys saw that was broken. I forgot in my house, so I'm just not gonna show that right now. You guys already saw that before, the shattered shadow. I'll show you guys right here what it looks like and what it looks like now right there. All this online, so it looks like that. It has like all the shimmers. I like the black one, it looks pretty nice. And then I really like this color right here. This one is the Wicked Glam Rock. This one's nice for like, probably like right here for like a little bit of highlight. We'll see how it look like if I do a look on it. I'm not like a picky girl when it comes to like products. I'm very thankful for whatever I get, to be honest. So I'm not that type of person who's like, oh, I'm not like into this stuff, or I don't like this or whatever. I really think every product is unique in their own way. So this one is the It Brow Pencil. The eyebrows color is Universal Toupee. I think I have the one for the brows. I kind of wanted the eyeliner one, but I like this one too. It's fine. So for this one, it's $24. It's the Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil. Here, Bronze Brighten Palette. Oops, sorry. I'm always afraid that I always get like broken palettes all the time now. About it. Looks like that. This is the bronzer, the highlighter, and then the red blush. Or it's like a kind of like a peachy kind of blush, and it looks pretty cute. I like it a lot. This was $34. That's a lot of money, guys. Oh my god, I look pretty stoked for this. It has like a weird smell. The back, it says all the names in the back. So this one's Afterglow, the middle one, and the blushing one is blushing glow, and then this one for the bronzer is Mineral Glow. So that's the name in the back. The pencil, not pencil, the lipstick one. This one is the Matte Lip Paint. Yeah, this one is $23. Matte Lip Paint. Ooh, looks pretty cute. I don't want to put it on right now because I don't have any like chapstick on me, but it looks like this. I love this. Thank you for thinking about me, because I've been loving like this type of color. I've been into like that type of shade when it's kind of nude-ish and not too bright. I love this. Stuff inside, so it's empty. So the next thing I'm going to show you guys is my BH Cosmetics. Right here. I got this one, which is the cream lipstick. Just the regular lipstick. So this one is the Berry Bite. So it's a nice red. It looks like a cherry, like dark cherry red, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna get my nails done soon because it's been like 4 weeks now. Thank god I have the scissors. This one is like a nude color. It's nice. The color is Forever Nude. I've been into nudes, like I said. So the next thing I got is this little bag. I bought all of these when they were on sale, like BH Cosmetics. You're kind of like, you know, my bank has been like MIA with your stuff. This is like the brush sets. Looks cute. There's a lot of like brushes inside. So I'm all set for a while. It's good to have when you're like traveling and such. So yeah, it looks like this. It looks like you're wearing like a wallet with you, like you're carrying around with like a wallet. And it says BH Cosmetics right here. It's really cute. It just has like that weird smell, like a leather smell. Yeah, it's like a shoe smell. Leather. Okay, this one is the palette one that I bought. Solar Flare palettes. I've been wanting this one for a little while. So it looks like this. Looks like that. It has like the mirror. I love when BH Cosmetic has mirrors because, you know, sometimes you want to have like, you know, a makeup bag with you, and sometimes you want to carry like a decent eyeshadow palette, right? So it's nice that you have a mirror because sometimes maybe you forget a mirror with you. Guys, I'll do some swatches with these in the future. The next one is the BH Bronze Paradise. Okay, so it looks like this. Yes, I'm filming on my iPhone, but you know, who cares? And yeah, you guys are like, you guys see the stand you guys are on right now because I'm like working. So this is my filming station right now. So I'm using my phone. So it has like the bronzer right here and then the highlighting. So it looks cute always with the mirror. It's Wild and Radiant, kind of like a bronzer palette. It's like baked, illuminizing, and bronzing palettes. So yeah, and then when I open it, it'll look like that. It's so cute. So I bought this one. It's the Carly Bybel Deluxe Edition. This is what it looks like in the bag. When I open it, it'll look like that, and it's like nice hardboard. Nice kind of like shiny material. Yes, oh my goodness. It's very pretty. I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. It looked like this thing. I thought it was like there's something wrong there, but no, everything is peachy perfect. Everything is so cute. I'm very blessed. So this one's like a corally kind of color right here. So it looks like that. I don't like what this looks like. You see that? Okay, I'm very fishy about this one, but I'm gonna try it out anyway. For this one is Naked Peach. So it's pretty cute. I got like 3 lipsticks. I'm not really sure about this one, but I'm gonna just try it anyway. It's not really that much of a money, so I don't really want to bring it or anything back. So I'm just gonna keep it. So I got 3 lipsticks and stuff like that. Yeah, and I also be doing another unboxing video. So hopefully you guys like this video. I like to do something different. Hopefully this one's okay. I wanted to do something a little bit longer because all my videos have been really short recently. So, you know, just maybe sometimes long videos are good, and because the next videos will be a little bit more shorter. So, yeah. I'll see you guys in my next video, and like this video, and I love you guys so much. And I'll show you guys all my shout outs in my next slide. And thank you guys for supporting me and all that stuff. And if you want a shout out, turn on my notifications and subscribe. And comment when you're done, and I'll put you my shout out in my next video. Bye, guys.
Ooh, I'm about to dive in. What we about to do ain't no surprise. I'm about to